Hey guys, you might have seen me play a bit of ocarina if you watch all my stuff.
Going nowhere.
And this is a video how to download it and change the controls. To change the controls, you go options, configure controller plugin. You can change all the controls here. I just saved my control layout. It's awesome. So mine is all normal. Anyway, you don't know how to download that, so I'll show you how today. First you go N64 installer. Or N64. Oh, Nintendo ROM. Go Nintendo ROM. Cool ROM. Go. Oh, I still remember this. Pop. Anyway, you go cool ROM. N64 down. Cool ROM. N64 installer or emulator. I mean. It's going nowhere. Project 64. I already downloaded it, so I don't need it, but you click that. It'll bring up this little thing. You click this to download it. You download all that and bring up this little thing. And you go, after all of that is installed, you go to Cool ROM. It's the same website I was on. You can click any of these games. It's just a list of a small list of games, or you can click like one of these to find new games. And I go to Nintendo 64 because I love Nintendo.
Yeah. I think it's helicopter. Please come down. Helicopter.
I don't know how to find it. Nintendo 64. This is what I do. I scroll down, and this is my favorite game I play. There's lots of other games.
I can do that really fast.
Really?
That's why I
Lots.
love reflex.
Master Quest,
No one understood why.
Rayman 2, but yeah, there's lots of different like things you can do, like Game Boy Advanced games.
Because I'm not very good at it.
Or you can't do
I know
that,
why you're
I
like
guess.
that. Because I'm really good at
But Game Boy Advanced ROMs.
I know
Here,
why.
there. It's just a bunch of different stuff. So I hope that helped you. If it didn't, say I'll do another video to make it even more simple. But after all that, you can go to Project 64. After all the things are installed, after you download the game, it should look something like.
That is not fun. It's fun.
Whoa.
And I wish Justin was off the.
It should look something like this, and
computer right
this
now.
isn't that game, and there'll be a little white folder that looks like this, and
I just
you
said
do that,
I
and
wish.
yeah, and then once that folder is on your desktop, the little white folder that looks like this.
Oh no, my balloon is up high. I'm just a baby. I can't
Just
reach the earth in the sky. Oh, it's only gonna fly away. I did it before it flies all the way.
Okay, after that little white folder is on your desktop, you can go File, Open a ROM, go Desktop, and look for that little white folder, and it'll have a name. And after you click on it once, you go File, and then you can find them here.
Helicopter.
It's pretty simple. Okay, that's all.
Helicopter.
Bye guys.